we're going to do a line lock demonstration on the car. I'm in a residential neighborhood, so I'm not going to do full bore, but I want to give you the demonstration of how to enable it, and I'll do a quick little spin for you. First thing you got to do is put the car in track mode. So if you look down here, the center, I'm going to switch it and toggle it to track. It will change on the dashboard. Next thing you got to do is you have to enable competitive mode. In order to do that, you got to click the traction control twice. 1, 2, and until it says competitive mode. Alright, sorry, I didn't do it quick enough. Competitive mode enabled. Once competitive mode is enabled, the next thing you need to do is go into your menus right here, and you want to go down to where it says options. I just got to move out of the way for a truck delivering something. So you go down to where it says options. You're going to get something that says launch control. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to put your foot on the brake. Sorry, I went to the wrong one. Sorry. There's people around me, so I'm trying to. Sorry. Then you want to go to the menu again and scroll to the right, and then you have two options. You have either launch control in there, and with all the settings, you can customize the settings in launch control, but we're not doing that today. We're doing line lock. So I'm going to go back to the settings and go down to where it says line lock. Now, just for those of you who don't know what line lock is, it locks the front differential. The car holds the front brakes of the car so that you're able to warm up the tires in a track type setting. So you can take off with warm tires and not have to worry about spinning too much. So I'm going to do a quick one right now. I'm going to go to line lock. You need to apply the brakes 100%. You got to push down really hard, and then it gives you 15 seconds to do a burnout when you let go. All right, so you hold it down, right? And when I'm ready to cancel, I hit these two. So as soon as I release, it's going to let me go. Did everybody get that? It's pretty wild, huh? Smells a little bit like rubber too. So that's how you do line lock. Hope everyone has a great day, and speak to you later.